Right, unboxing my order. Oh my god. Another box. Box in a box. Another box in a box. Box again. Box. Alright. Ooh. This is it. reComputer AI Industrial R2000. So, this is it. Oh my god. Ooh. One. Oh my god. Such an amazing. I hope this works fine. Alright. This will be my AI computer. Powered by Raspberry Pi plus AI accelerator. Oh my god. Of course, peripherals, attachments, power supply, and plugs for the power supply. So that's my order. Alright, now let me see if this is complete. And of course, I have also here the SSD card. Alright, this is for AI project. Let's go!